Hey guys, and welcome back to another vlog. I don't know if I'm going to start this off here, but I'm just going to roll with it anyway. But today I'm going for coffee. We're going with Carmen, our boss from like our summer job. So she's treating us for lunch, which would be nice. So we're going there now. So I'm just going to go out the door and pick up Tara and Maeve and head to the cottage, and then I'll see if anything else happens from there. Okay, so I'm just in Westport now, and oh my god, I had the most horrifying time trying to find a parking spot. Like, it's not even funny, but I parked in the AIB parking lot, and wait till I show you where I parked my car. Like, I mean, benefits of having a small car, but like also, I mean, I could get in trouble for this, but you know what, I'm not gonna stress about it. But I'm going to meet Ruth now for a coffee in this must be the place, so you know, I'll give you a clip of that and see what show it was like in there. Never been in there personally, but like, I mean, I'm excited. They have vegan options, so you know, it has to be good. But I'll see you guys in a second. Okay guys, so I finished coffee with Ruth in this is the place, and I'm in Castle Bar because I need to order a carpet for a project that I'm doing, so that's what I'm doing now. I'm just about headed right now, so you know, get excited.
It's all my life, you're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat
as being two-faced. Gemini's out of all the signs, probably are
me right. Your dark hair with those eyes
Oh yeah, I'm definitely a psycho.
so bright, they look into my soul and
I got your back. Gemini's are usually
it sparks my life. Can I take you there?
or even like my favorite celebrities often end up being a Gemini. I also find Geminis to be a very stylish.
Do we felt like this was forever?
Hey guys, so it is a few days after since the last time I vlogged, but I'm going out tonight. Yes, I know. Just for, it's not like a big night out, it's just, you know, I don't think it's gonna be a big night out, but you know, I could be wrong. But we're going in like, I'm going in like 5 minutes now, but I decided to check in, show you what I'm wearing. So I'm wearing this Levi's overshirt denim thing. I showed it in the haul, and then I'm also wearing jeans and shoes. Let me see actually. Okay. I don't know if you can see this, but this is what I'm wearing. Just like that, and wow, that's like very bright behind me, but even though it's not, which is what's the wild thing. So yeah, this guy is what I'm wearing, and this pair of black shoes, and that is it. Oh, and also, you know, obviously, you know, some accessories. So I'm wearing this cross and just a simple little one here as well, and that is it. So I will see you guys maybe later, who knows. Okay, so I'm trying to pick out an outfit now. I have, oh, where's my t-shirt? Okay, so a couple of different options here. Okay, so we can either go white t-shirt or black t-shirt, and then we can either go blue jeans or black jeans, and then we can either go this kind of more cool toned woolen jacket or this more warm toned jacket, but it's not woolen, it's like a different kind of material. Okay, so this is base number 1, like on this, like the first foundation for my outfit. Okay, so now let's just try on the different jackets and see which one we prefer. This is such a nice jacket, like, oh my god. I mean, this is, no, I definitely prefer this story. Okay, I kind of like this one actually. No, I'm not in love with it though. You know what, I'm gonna show you. Okay, can you see me? I'm gonna show you what I'd actually love to wear, but like, I mean, I won't be able to because it's like way too hot for it. But I'd love to wear this black turtleneck, but I'll show you what it looks like on. See, now this looks nice. Just works like a lot better. Yeah. I love this so much. Okay, right, okay. Just relax, okay? I mean, this would be ideal. Okay, but I mean, I'm not going to wear this turtleneck because like it's like way too hot for it, so I'm just going to try on my outfit option number 2 because I don't like this one because it's with the black t-shirt and the black jeans, it's too dark. So I'm going to change into the white t-shirt and see, but yeah, I'll see. Okay, hey guys, so we're down here now and I'm just going to put on my BB cream because, you know, if I'm going for an interview today, I want to be looking the best I possibly can. Okay, so let's get this on. I'd also love if you guys have, let me know if you guys have ever been to interviews and what's been your experience with them, because, you know, I haven't done many. I think this might be could be my second one. So I'm very inexperienced when it comes to interviews, but you know what? It's fine. I think that I'd be really good for this job. I'm not gonna say what it is because it'll be so like embarrassing if I don't get it. And I'm here like telling you guys all about it and everything. Okay guys, so I just moved you to a different angle because I really didn't like that one over there. But as I was saying, have you guys ever done interviews before, and if so, what has been your experience with them? Personally, I don't like the idea of interviews. I don't like how long of a process it is. Like, from finding out, you know, from going for the interview and finding out if you got the job or not, like, it's really stressful. Like, it literally leaves you hanging there for like a good solid week sometimes. Now, yeah, I just don't like them. But yeah, that's been going on in my life. That's what I'm doing today. And then let me see what else. I've got my room like pretty much finished, so I have to film that yet. I was gonna go to Galway this weekend. It's all depending on if if the interview goes well or not. I might go up next weekend instead. Just because like it just won't be smart going up this weekend because I have so much to do. But you know what? We'll see what the interview goes. If it goes really well, I'll be like, you know what? I've definitely got that job. I can afford to go to Galway for the weekend. But if it goes not well, well then I will not be going to Galway because it just wouldn't be smart, you know, because I have to like look for another job position, you know, get an interview going again. I should actually do it tonight, look for another position. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. Okay guys, so I'm fully ready, and is this like really zoomed in or something? Oh, it totally is. Okay, I'm fully ready now. I'm just wearing the coat, white t-shirt, black jeans, and Chelsea boots, you know, the way it is. And I'm about to head up to Castlebar now from the interview, and I'm really nervous. But also I don't know why I am, because it's literally just a conversation, and I wasn't nervous all week. It's literally just now today that I'm starting to get nervous. But like, I mean, it's okay. If it's meant for me, it won't pass me by. And yeah, I mean, I think, okay, well, I'm not going to go into a rant, but I'll see when I get up there. Hey guys, so I'm back from my interview today. I think it went really well. I thought I'd sit down and like talk to you guys about it. I think it went really well. I don't want to talk about it too much because obviously nothing is like certain until you get the letter. But I do have a trial day that I'm starting in 2 weeks, and yeah, it sounds perfect. I think I'd be perfect for this position, to be honest, because I feel like I could bring a lot to this job, and yeah, it's just really exciting. And I was getting walked through like, you know, everything that I'd be doing and stuff, and like, to be honest, because it didn't feel real. Like, I felt like is this an actual job? Like, this is crazy that like I could literally be getting paid for doing something that is so exciting to me and I have such a passion for. And yeah, it's just, I was pinching myself like the whole time. Like, it's just crazy. Like, I'm literally getting goosebumps now even thinking about it. But I'm really hoping I'm going to get it. I think I will. I think I have it, to be honest, but I'm not going to say too much yet. If I do, well, when I get it, I will update you guys and, you know, talk to you guys about it, and, you know, go from there. So until then guys, I really hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment and subscribe, and also hit that little notification bell just to be notified when I upload. I have some very exciting projects in the work, and if all goes to plan with these other side hustles, we're in for something amazing. And on that note, I'm going to say goodbye. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.